Chapter 6. Future of Computers. Central idea. What is Internet of Things? IoT. Elements required for Internet of Things. IoT. Applications of the Internet of Things. Internet of Things devices and examples. Different types of sensors are used for different types of appliances. Example of Internet of Things technology and use today. The IoT refers to the connection of devices such as computers and smartphones to the Internet. Cars, kitchen appliances and even heart monitors can all be connected through the IoT. And as the Internet of Things will grow in next few years, more and more devices will join the list. A network of Internet connected objects are able to collect and exchange data using embedded sensors. They include smartphones, tablets, PCs, smartwatches, connected TVs, and non-traditional remotes. The software systems analyze the data generated by IoT devices. The Internet communication enables objects to communicate with their device and sometimes enables devices to communicate with each other. Elements required for Internet of Things are 1. Sensing. The sensing can be biometric, biological, environmental, visual or audible. 2. Software. It is required to look at sensor data and follow rules to make decisions about how to respond to data. Software to manage the operation of a device which includes one or more sensors. 3. Cloud-based capture. Gathered data is transmitted to a cloud-based service. Resources delivered to customers via the Internet, where the information coming in from the IoT device is collected with other cloud-based data to provide useful information for the end user. 4. An Internet connection. An Internet connection is used to transmit and receive data and instructions. 5. Delivery of information. The last step is to deliver the useful information to the end user. It requires execution of a well thought out, designed and executed user interface that provides an optimized experience across the multiple device platforms, tablets, smartphones, desktop, across multiple operating systems, iOS, Android, Windows, etc. IoT applications. IoT devices are used for the following applications. 1. In consumer market for smart home control, lighting, security, comfort, optimized energy use maintenance. 2. In industrial market for smart meters, wear out sensing devices, manufacturing control, climate control. 3. In automotive industries for parking, traffic flow control, anti-theft devices, location tracking, etc. 4. In environmental engineering for species tracking, weather prediction, etc. 5. In agriculture market for crop management and soil analysis. 6. In military for resource allocation, threat analysis, troop monitoring, etc. 7. In medical industry for wearable devices, implanted devices, and telehealth services. 8. In retail for product tracking, inventory control, focused marketing, etc. The ultimate goal of IoT is to automate human life. Internet of Things devices and examples. 1. Amazon Echo Smart Home. The Amazon Echo works through its voice assistant, Alexa, which users can talk to in order to perform a variety of functions. Users can tell Alexa to play music, provide a weather report, and get sports score, order a cab, and more. 2. Fitbit One Wearables. The Fitbit One tracks your steps, floors climbed, calories burned, and sleep quality. The device also wirelessly syncs with computers and smartphones in order to transmit your fitness data in understandable charts to monitor your progress. 3. Barcelona Smart Cities. The Spanish city is one of the 4 most smart cities in the world, after it implemented several IoT initiatives that have helped to enhance smart parking and the environment. 4. AT&T Connected Car. AT&T added 1.3 million cars to its network in the second quarter of 2016, bringing the total number of cars it connects to 9.5 million. Drivers don't have to subscribe or pay a monthly fee for data in order for AT&T to count them as subscribers. Different types of sensors are used for different types of appliances. Sensors are the troops of Internet of Things, the on-the-ground pieces of hardware doing the critical work of monitoring process, taking measurements and collecting data. Sensors for various applications are used in different IoT devices as per different applications, such as temperature, power, humidity, proximity, force, etc. Connecting the different parts of IoT to the sensors can be done by different technologies including Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, WiMAX, and L-Fi and Li-Fi, etc. For example, your refrigerator might have a barcode scanner sensor to scan all food you put into it, software to evaluate scan data about food stored in the refrigerator and make decisions about expiration dates, recipes, shopping lists, and other useful tasks to save your time. A basic operating system to run the barcode scanner and the software evaluating data from the scanner. An internet connection to help the software evaluate data and follow rules to make decisions about the barcode scan data. For example, the refrigerator might use the internet to look up recipes or email you a shopping list based on when food expires. Examples of Internet of Things IoT technology in use today: Nest thermostat, air quality egg, August smart lock, wearables, charger HR watches, secret bracelet, Hue smart bulbs, smart security system, Libelium,